In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Drive upload faster and increase your upload speed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access Google Drive. So, go ahead and open up your favorite web browser. Once you're there, navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed into your account, as this is essential for the functionality we're going to explore today. Now that you're in Google Drive, it's important to verify your internet connection. A stable and high-speed internet connection is crucial when it comes to uploading files efficiently. If your connection is weak or slow, it can severely affect your upload speeds and may lead to interruptions. So, take a moment to ensure that you're connected to a reliable network before we proceed. The next step is to locate the optimization tool that will help speed things up. To do this, find any file in your Google Drive or navigate to the area where you want to upload your files. Right-click on that file or simply click in that space. A menu will pop up and you'll want to hover over the option that says Open With. From there, select Connect More Apps. This will take you to a page where you can find various apps that integrate with Google Drive, including those that can assist with upload speeds. Now, let's search for the tool we need. In the search bar of the new window that pops up, simply type in Speed. This should bring up a few different options related to increasing your upload speed. You're looking for an app specifically titled Speed Uploader for Google Drive. Once you see it, go ahead and click on that app. You might need to select an Install button, and during this process you may be prompted to grant certain permissions. Don't worry, these permissions are usually necessary for the app to integrate smoothly with your Google Drive account. After you've installed the Speed Uploader for Google Drive, you're ready to perform the upload. This tool is designed to optimize file transfers more efficiently than the standard built-in method Google Drive offers, so you're in for a treat. Simply open the Speed Uploader tool and select the files you'd like to transfer. You'll likely notice a significant improvement in speed compared to your usual upload process. As you upload your files, you can take a moment to reflect on how easily this tool has streamlined your workflow. No more waiting around for files to upload at a snail's pace. Just sit back and watch as your files zip into the cloud. And that's it. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable increase in your Google Drive upload speeds. Remember that the best connection will yield the best results, so keep that in mind for future uploads. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital productivity. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.